In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save chart layout TradingView. If you've just finished customizing your chart with indicators, drawings, or a preferred color scheme, saving your layout makes sure you can come back to exactly the same setup later without having to rebuild anything. This is especially helpful if you switch between devices or like to keep different looks for different strategies. Start with your chart open. Look to the top right of the chart area where you'll see the layout name. If you haven't named your layout yet, it will show as unnamed. Right next to that name, there's a small caret or downward-facing arrow. That little icon is the key to managing your layouts. Click the caret to open the layout menu. This brings up a simple set of options that control how your current setup is stored. From that menu, select Save. That's it. Your current chart layout is now preserved. Saving captures the full state of your chart. Your indicators, their settings, your drawings, chart type, colors, and any window arrangements you've put together. The next time you open this layout, everything comes back just the way you left it, so you can focus on analysis rather than setup. You can also rename your layout so it's easy to recognize later. In the same menu by the caret, choose Rename, then type a clear, descriptive name that reflects what the layout is for. Something like Swing Setup, Scalping Clean, or long-term analysis. A good naming habit makes it much faster to pick the right configuration when you're juggling different trading styles or testing ideas. A quick reminder, if you tweak your chart after saving, maybe you add a new indicator or adjust a setting, just click the caret again and hit Save to update the existing layout. That way, your changes are always preserved. If you prefer to keep the original intact and create a variant, give the updated version a different name when you save, so you can switch between them as needed. To recap, open your chart. Click the caret next to the layout name at the top right, where it might say Unnamed if you haven't saved yet. Choose Save, and optionally rename to keep things organized. With these simple steps, you'll always have your preferred chart view ready to go, making your workflow smoother and your analysis more consistent. That's all you need to do to save your chart layout in TradingView.